Truck boom pump with mixer. This machine can mix and asterisk pump concrete at the same time. One truck, two functions. It mixes concrete on site, then pumps it directly to where you need it. Truck boom pump with mixer. Produced by HUNAN TANT construction machinery. It is concrete pump and mixer and transportation all in one machine. Boom adopts 5-section boom design, more flexible and has a wider range of lacing. It can pumping displacement of 50 to 90 cubic meters per hour. Large, diameter long stroke concrete conveying cylinder. Prevent pipe blockage and can pumping large capacity. It is widely used in urban and rural infrastructure construction.